What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. So what are we doing today? We out here with the Corvette. Why we out here with the Corvette? It's not for good reasons. It is not for good reasons. So probably, I think it was last weekend, I decided to take the car out because it was a beautiful day like it is today, right? So I'm taking it out. It's like 100 degrees and I wanted to see how well it was going to do in this type of temperature. So I made a couple pulls on the freeway, made a couple, trips around the hood, so to speak, and it did well. I was so excited about it. I said, let me make a video. Let me make a video to let somebody know out there that was wondering, just like I was, how will your car do with just a radiator upgrade and no fans once you got a supercharger? Because you hear people say you need to get a radiator and some small fans and all of that. Well, Texas is a good place to test that out. Now, what happened was, as I'm doing that, I'm sitting here letting it idle right there, and the coolant temperature went sky high. It was going all the way up to like 240 almost instantly as it was idling. And then the next thing you know, we getting like 100,000 check engine lights. We got a P0700, a P0716, a P0 whatever of heat O2 sensor. Those done gone out. Those went out later that night, but the P0716 was still on. And if you don't know what that is, that's basically a transmission issue. Long story short, either my transmission is toast, or this heat, or the fluid doesn't like the heat. So I'm dealing with the transmission. Now, if you have an aftermarket converter, you can kind of expect that code to come on every now and then. And all you got to do is reset your car, either with a tool or disconnect the battery. I haven't even driven the car since then. So maybe the light has even gone out. I don't know. We about to see, nevertheless. Did I say lest? Nevertheless, we're about to see if that code still pops up. All right, let's see. Oh, look, no check engine light. Yay. So maybe that was just temporary because it was hot. Either way, we're going to take it for a spin and see if that was in fact the case. Because I'm telling you, I had these codes. I had the codes. I had them. Now they're going away. No more check engine lights. So if they don't come back on while I'm driving, I am going to go with the assumption of my car was too damn hot and it was messing up everything. The fluid boiling, I don't know, it got too hot. I'm gonna have to get a fan. Bottom line, still no check engine light. I mean, I know I kind of sound like I'm disappointed or something, but I'm really not disappointed. I'm really glad, because now we can continue as normal. We can continue as normal. All right, so we're gonna drive it a little bit, let it get up to temperature a little better. Transmission get up to temperature. I mean, I know I'm gonna have to get a fan, and that'll most likely solve my problems for sure, because this stock fan just ain't cutting it. It just ain't cutting it. But I'm trying to delay. Man, I can't keep spending money on this shit. So we're gonna make it work as long as possible. In the wintertime, or even in 80-degree weather, if I could ever see 80-degree weather, I think it would be fine. What up, guys? We just doing a little low. Seeing what these temperatures looking like. Beautiful day. Look at that sun in the camera. Oh, that's so beautiful. We're just gonna get a couple pulls in. Just a couple. Okay, guys, so I am back from the test run. What did I learn from it? Can't really say I learned too much other than I got no check engine lights. So that's always good. We got no check engine lights. That's what I was hoping for. All of that is good. I did make a quick pull that I didn't record. And I don't know if it's because of the heat or maybe something is wrong with the transmission. Maybe it was just the gear that I was in when I did the pull. But it felt like I was in a like a mug. So I don't know. I don't know, man. This Texas heat be messing with it. Boy, this Texas heat is nothing to joke with. We'll be back though. I done spent too much money. We'll be back. We'll be back. Still got some testing to do. And I don't know. We may have to wait till it cool off a little bit before we do any type of real racing again. We'll see. This your boy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.